Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your videos ranked higher. Even get your videos ranked on the first page with the help of TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube management software. It helps with a lot of different features other than just getting your videos ranked higher. But that's what I want to show you today. Right now, I'm already in the info and settings of my video. And you can see that TubeBuddy has integrated itself pretty well into YouTube. This is the classic studio version. It's not as integrated as well with the new version of Creator Studio, but hopefully that will change soon with some more updates. Right now, you can see that I have create thumbnail, upload defaults, best practices, and other things like that. But I'm going to bring my attention to my headline, my description, and my tags. You can see in my tags, I have some green squares in a couple of these tags with numbers in them. And these squares with the numbers, they are indicating where I rank on the first page of the search results. Now, I'll go ahead and go to Sell on Social button. Click on that, and that will bring up the Keyword Explorer. The Keyword Explorer lets you know how good your keywords are ranked as far as your channel and against other channels. My summary for this keyword, or keywords rather, the overall score is very good. There's a low search value, but it's still fair. The competition, there's not a lot of competition for this, so I'm ranked pretty good with that one. And the optimization strength for this keyword in comparison to my title and description is pretty good. So I can go to results and I can see that over here, I own one of 27 search results. I can scroll up to the first one and I'm right there, just like it said. Not only can I do that, but to verify it, I can open up a new tab for YouTube and go into the search exactly for that tab. And I can see that I am ranked first, just like it said. Going back to the Keyword Explorer, you can see that my tag mirrors my headline, and it also mirrors some quotes in the description as well. That's how I was able to beat someone with 46,000 views with only 49 views. Let's say I want to try to make another keyword right now. I could try how to make a PayPal button, and then I would hit Explore. That will refresh the Keyword Explorer, give me a new score, and I could go back to results and see how I did. Now I can scroll down and see which videos are up here. Maybe I have this video up here. Maybe I have two other videos that are up here. I have one that you just saw, and I have another one. Neither one are for this video though. So what I want to do is go ahead and tweak it a little bit to see if that'll help get me onto the first page. There, so I did how to make a PayPal button 2020. I can see that this worked better. I'm at the top 3 for this, and my fourth one is this one. So I can go ahead and go to insert. Right beside the insert button is actions. Clicking on that, I can see that I have 3 different actions to do. I could copy into the clipboard, I can add it to the topic planner, or I can insert it into the current video. And I'm going to go ahead and insert it to the video right now. You have to check, and I can go ahead and press the X, and I can see right here it says how to make a PayPal button down here. That put me over my limit for tags. The characters I can use in my tag, so I got to get rid of one. And make money on websites would be the way I'll get rid of it, so I'm under the 500 limit. And that's all you want to do, is just create a trial and error on your keywords and match them with your title and your description. You might come across the fact that you have a video that's way too competitive for what you're trying to title it and what you're trying to do for the description. So you might have to make the title more unique in order to be able to rank it. For example, I can't just put PayPal button because that would be too That'll be 2 out of my league for this channel. My overall score is poor because there's just way too many search results for us, over 1 million. And the number of searches per month is great, but the competition is too high for me on that. Making my keywords more unique will help me get ranked more. So to recap, make your keywords mirror your title and your description. Also, make sure that your title is unique and your keywords are unique as well. Because while I might not get ranked for PayPal button, I do get ranked for PayPal sell on social button. Going to the price of a TubeBuddy. The basic one, which is Pro, is $9 a month. You got a star and then you got the legend. But if you're thinking I ain't got no money, they still got a free version. You're just not gonna have as many features. But let's say you wanted to go ahead and buy the most basic version, but you don't want to pay $9. You ain't got to. If you got less than 1,000 subscribers, goes down to $450. Let's say you can pay for a whole year up front. It'll go down even more. Let's say you got over 1,000 subscribers, but you'll pay yearly anyway. Okay, so it's at $720. So for anybody that's looking at this, you got less than 1,000 subscribers, you at $450 or you at $360, but you gotta pay that up front. You gotta pay for the whole year up front at $360 a month. So it's about 30. It's like about 40 something dollars. That ain't bad. It's almost $50 for the whole year. Not that bad. I mean, it's not even that. I mean, with taxes, it is. I mean, I'm not gonna keep going back and forth. With taxes, it's almost like it is almost that, man. Going back and forth with this too long. Ain't nobody watching this joint at this point. No way, man. Y'all ain't even watching this no more. Y'all got what y'all wanted. I'm just ramble on. At any rate, man, look, this is it. I'm done rambling. Hopefully you like the information when I gave it to you. If you got annoyed with the rambling, my apologies. But hopefully you still want to subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification button to get notified about new videos that come out from me, because I don't always ramble like this anyway. Just for the record, I'll be coming out with another video very soon. Thanks for watching.